Hello, everybody. This is Jason. Today, I am going to be working on the Kia Telluride, which is basically a Korean Porsche Cayenne with extra seating in the back. Yeah, I swear to God, it looks like a Porsche Cayenne. Look at the Porsche Cayenne over here. Not the coupe variant, the SUV variant. The coupe's a bit too sexy. Um, I think it is this one. Yeah, that looks nice. But the Kia is just as beautiful for the same price, for 1/3 of a price. Different demographics, but still a favorite. My aunt has one. My aunt on my dad's side. I don't know if she still has it. She's more of a Toyota girl these days, but hers is an earlier body style. I'm just waiting for this to load, and I will be giving instructions since the shortcut viewer won't download here. So I'll have to be giving out instructions manually. So sorry if that takes long. I'm not a 2D designer. I'm a 3D. So let's go to general. Why do you keep doing this to me? Image, reference. I'm just making sure there's nothing inappropriate in the download section. It's not bad. Alright. So, I'm trying to make this big as possible so that it's easier for me to actually. But hey, actually, we need to also look at the front end and the rear end. Actually, you know what? Let's duplicate it. And then duplicate it again for the back. Six millimeters. You know what'll be even better? Hey, actually, if we go to Microsoft Paint, open, smooth operator. Uh-huh. Let's make sure. 250 by 254 by 188. No, that's a little too small. Two 256. Yeah, that's a good size. 256 by 190. All right. PNG as always. Use PNG. And no, I don't literally lick boots. That's just me against people who want to force me to buy EVs. I'm not a bootlicker for the EV industry. Um, 290, 254 by 190. That's not balanced, but okay. 245? 240, yeah, I guess 245. 244. There's a little more spacing on the left than the right. 242. Yeah, I see it. Smooth operator rear. Let's go back, go to front end. Hey, at least we are doing this. I've never done it like this before, my 3D designs, because I like to make things easier. But you know what? Easier doesn't mean better. But in this case, it might. It just might. I love the V6 power. It's smooth, it's durable. Alright, here we are. How big is this one? This one is, okay, 10, 10, and 10. This should be the same way. Lock. 10, and 10. But let's make sure. Okay. Let's go back to paint. Let's go to recent. Good, there's nothing inappropriate here. 190. That's the height, I think. And then the side is 162, which basically means, huh, that's strange. Yeah, this changes the height. So 162? I think it's 162. What's 162 divided by 190? Let's try 8.5. 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. Still quite too big. So what we're gonna do, go back to Microsoft Paint. Go to height. Go to 256 is the width. Either 256, but let's compare to side. 429, 256. All right, 256, 429. Okay, let's use 6 as the number. Still quite too big. Okay. We can forget about the calculator and the paint for right now. Let's make sure that this roof line matches this roof line. Oh, it does match now. Got it. Alright. So we're using 5 for the front. I don't know about the rear. The rear, I think, is going to be the same. Let's try the rear. Okay. 5, 5, and 5. And rotate like usual to 90 degrees. But let's make sure the roof lines match. I think we can do 4.9 for the rear. Nah, we can do 4.8 for the rear. That's not a big difference. 4.7 will be a much bigger difference than 4.5. But 4.8, I don't see much of a difference. Because I don't want to explain too much. All right, so 4.6 for the rear. Let's bring this back. Um, let's hide this one. So the front and the rear. The front is going to be 5. The rear is going to be 4.6. All right. This is part 1. I will be revealing more instructions in part 2. See you there.